Another quick snapshot of the grow. Some air plants up here. I did a lot of cutting back recently. Oh, this is cool down here. We've got some horned pansies. We've got some hibiscus, rose of Sharon, a couple of wisterias. Let's get more into the perennials there. Just some more tropicals being propagated. And then over here we've got some bottle gourd, some sensitive plants coming up. We've got, oh, this is ash wax gourd actually. Scotia tomatoes. We've got a bunch of microgreens, lavender, some Tulsi basil. It's finally coming up down there in the corner. More giant tropicals. A lot of these Queen of the Night cactus that I'm obsessed with. I can't stop growing. Oops. Some nice tropicals over there. And then our little greenhouse over here we propagate. A million pots I just cleaned. Yeah. This guy's got some really nice new leaves coming in. They all do, really. This is another nice one I like to look at. Yeah, it's got a crazy growth coming from the base. I'm going to try to root soon. That's not supposed to be inside, but that's okay.